or welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be doing a little vlog. As you can see, I'm getting ready to go to the beach. I have to finish doing my hair. I'm actually in a rush for my boyfriend coming like right now, but he gonna just have to wait, is whatever. Currently getting ready and tonight we're probably gonna go to dinner or something, so we're gonna have a nice little day. Today is Wednesday, August 3rd, I believe. 3rd? Yeah, the 3rd. My summer has finally started. I'm going to be doing a lot for the next 2-3 weeks. So I'm going to be vlogging. So make sure y'all subscribe and look for my content. Yeah, so I basically didn't do anything for the month of July. Like I was literally just home. I'm finally going to be outside and enjoying life. And I'm excited about it. Right now I'm going to hurry up, get ready, and I'm going to see y'all when I'm about to leave. So I just got done with my hair, so I want to oil my skin so I could look all shiny on the beach. This is Oil by Me, my little business, Beauty Body. Make sure to check it out. I like to oil my skin to go to the beach because I just like to look like a glazed donut. Then I like to spray like this shimmer from Victoria's Secret. This I could look extra glittery and shiny. You just gotta keep your skin looking nice when you go out to the beach, because that's what you're showing the most, skin. Anyway, so I'm about to leave the house and I'm gonna see you at the beach.
Day 2 on the beach, babe. What the fuck?
That's cool. I don't want to go. You go first. You go first.
Yo,
The sun gotta come up.
that's my picture.
Nah, I good. I good. I am good. Yeah, I gotta come out like 12 o'clock. What time it is?
Last day of this phone.
Stop.
Why holding this one? Are you recording? Let me go though, let me go though, let me go, let me go. Well, just come, man.
I guess yeah.
Hurry, come hold your phone. Just come in.
Okay. I'm taking a risk right now.
Yeah, big risk.
Alright guys, so we just got done with the beach because it started to get like really hot and full, so we just left. And we also started to get hungry, so we're about to go get some breakfast. It's like 11 o'clock, and then we're gonna go home and probably do something later. I don't know, but today has been a good day so far. Very relaxing. The beach is so nice, but it's just so many boats and people here right now, and it's starting to get like irritating, so we just decided to leave. Yeah, I'm starving. Hopefully we could get, I don't know, I think breakfast probably finished by now, but hopefully we could still get some breakfast or brunch or something. So because I really want a waffle or like some pancakes or something related in that nature. So I'm gonna see you guys when we get to breakfast. Alright, what's up? Good morning. Yeah, well, good afternoon, like 1 o'clock. But anyways, so yesterday, well, the day before was Wednesday. We went to the beach and we went for breakfast. And then we went out in the night. We went to Chesterfield and we had dinner. Yesterday we didn't do anything. I was just by his house. We were just chilling. So today is another day. Today is Friday the 7th. Yeah, the 7th. We are going to Toppers. I believe we're going to Toppers, which used to be Carousel. I think they have like ice cream and rum tasting there, so we're gonna be doing that today. I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but that's one of the plans that we do have for today for sure. Today is probably gonna be the end of the vlog, and then we're gonna start a new one because the week is over. It's Friday, so I'm already ready. I'm just waiting for my boyfriend to come pick me up. I'm about to show you guys my outfit and what I'm wearing. I'm gonna try and vlog more today because I feel like I wasn't doing much the other day. Like I put like little clips of everything, but I still feel like it didn't come up too much because when I edited, it only came up to like 5 minutes, and that was like the beach, breakfast, and everything else. And I don't feel like I did that, so I'm gonna try like to do more today, so the vlog could be at least 12 minutes because I like 12-minute vlogs. Y'all tell me if y'all like 12-minute to 50-minute vlogs, or y'all like more than 20 minutes. Yeah, let me know because I personally like 12 to 20-minute vlogs. Anything longer than that, I lose it. I can't pay attention no longer than that. But whatever you guys prefer, I'm gonna do. So this is my outfit. You know, simple, nothing too extra because it's nothing serious. But I wanted to look nice enough so I could take some pictures, take some content. So this is my outfit today. Hopefully, I might show y'all better when I go outside. But I'm about to like just sit down and relax until he gets here. This is today's perfume, Dolce & Gabbana Rose. It smells so good. You know, I need to go buy more perfume. If you have good perfume recommendations, put it down below because I'm trying to like start my perfume collection with some nice scents. So help your girl out.
Vanilla cinnamon rum, and it's 21% alcohol.
You usually have 21%? Just like juice.
Hey.
And next we're going to move on to our white chocolate raspberry, also 21% alcohol.
It tastes good though.
I like this one. I know it is.
It's alright, man. I know you wouldn't like it. I want to tell you, alright. Take the two of them.
I don't want to. No problem, alcohol. Alright guys, so it's a couple hours later. We're about to head out again. I was taking a nap because I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit tipsy. Like if you like alcohol, maybe like trying new alcohol, I recommend going there. It's only like $10 to try all of it. Tried about almost 20 different shots, so it's not bad. But we're about to head out again. I don't think I'm gonna vlog, so I'm about to end the vlog right here because we just want to have a chill night. I don't really want to be trying to vlog, plus it's night and the quality is not gonna be the best anyway. So I'm about to end this right here. Maybe if I do record anything, I'm gonna like insert the clips, but other than that, I'm gonna just tell you guys bye for now. I'm out of breath because I was rushing to get ready, but I'm gonna see you guys on the next vlog, which will be next week. So make sure you look out for my next video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, what are you waiting for? You watching my video, you might as well subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, blah 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 blah. And I'm gonna see you on the next one.